So your deck around your house around winter time doesn't have to be boring. And here's a nice example, cheap example, what you can make with some water and an ordinary bucket. So basically I have this bucket that I purchased at the dollar store, I think for the price of $3. And you fill this bucket with water, and then you can put that out at freezing temperatures overnight. Right now in Ontario we are at about -8 Celsius, and it goes even cooler at night. So what I've done, I put this bucket full of water outside last night, and so I flipped it upside down this morning. So this is the result. And as long as the water inside doesn't freeze completely, it creates this beautiful winter lantern, and you can make as many as you wish. Just take some time and patience, or lots of buckets. I only have one bucket, so I can only produce one at a time, one per night, so to speak. And here I am in my backyard. Here's my hot tub, and this will be a very pretty light. I have one of those scented candles in, so this will be a very pretty light to add to the ambience when my husband and I enjoying hot tub here at night. So I dare you to try this, and you'll be very happy with the result. There you go. This one has this shape because the bucket has this I don't know if you can see, probably not. This bucket has shape like that inside, but if you buy a bucket which is even, the lantern would look even better. So thanks for watching. See you next time.